Picture this. You're fast asleep, but deep inside your body, something dangerous is happening. Your muscles are slowly breaking down, quietly, night after night. And each morning, you wake up just a tiny bit weaker than the night before. Sounds scary? It is. And it's happening to millions of seniors, not because of aging, but because of what they're not eating before bed. Why you're losing muscle. Even if you eat well, you eat balanced meals. You take your vitamins, you even walk daily. But if you're not feeding your muscles properly before bed, all that effort may not be enough. Here's the truth. Most people lose muscle while sleeping. Yes, even if you exercise, even if you eat well during the day. The problem is, your body repairs and rebuilds muscle while you sleep. But if you don't give it the right fuel before bed, your body simply starts breaking muscle down for energy. Muscle loss after 60, not just old age. If your legs feel shaky, if you struggle to get up from a chair, if stairs feel harder every year, that's not just getting older, it's something called sarcopenia, the medical term for age-related muscle loss. It starts as early as your 40s. After 60, it accelerates, with up to 8% muscle loss every decade. And worst of all, most people don't notice it until they fall. One day you're walking fine. The next, you're wondering why you tripped. Falls, fractures, long recovery times, all linked to shrinking muscles. The truth, it's not about exercising more, yes. Exercise is important, but even the best workout can't stop muscle loss if your muscles don't have the fuel they need to rebuild overnight. Your body works like this. During the day, you break down muscle through activity. At night, your body rebuilds that muscle, but only if you give it the raw materials. No fuel equals no repair. No repair equals muscle keeps shrinking. Why leg muscles disappear? First, leg muscles are large and energy demanding. Your body naturally chooses to sacrifice them first if nutrients are lacking. That's why seniors often feel unsteady legs, lower stamina balance issues, and this only gets worse with time, unless you act. The key nutrient you're missing? The answer is simple. Slow digesting protein rich in leucine. Leucine triggers muscle repair. Casein, protein feeds muscles steadily for 6 to 8 hours. Scientific studies show 5 to 10 grams of essential amino acids before bed significantly increase overnight muscle protein synthesis, meaning your muscles rebuild instead of shrinking. The best food to eat before bed: cottage cheese, low fat, high in casein protein, packed with leucine slow digestion, such steady muscle repair. All night, just 1/2 to 1 cup gives you 15 to 25 grams of high-quality protein. Don't like cottage cheese? Try these alternatives. Plain Greek yogurt, great protein but slightly faster digesting. Casein, protein shake, ideal for slow overnight absorption. 2 boiled eggs plus 1/2 avocado, healthy fats and protein, though not as slow as casein. Foods that destroy muscle. While you sleep, sugary snacks, cookies, cereal, desserts. Spike insulin, crash, cortisol surge, muscle breakdown. Alcohol disrupts deep sleep, where muscle repair happens, interferes with protein absorption. High sodium snacks, chips, canned soups, cause dehydration, weak muscle function. Skipping food entirely, going to bed hungry forces your body into catabolism. It starts breaking down your muscles for fuel. Here's the simple formula to protect your muscle overnight. Eat 15 to 25 grams of slow-digesting protein before bed. Avoid sugar, alcohol, salty packaged foods. Never go to bed hungry. Support overnight muscle repair. Why this tiny habit changes. Everything muscle isn't just about appearance, it controls balance, energy, independence, recovery after injuries, even your ability to stay out of nursing homes. Every day you lose muscle silently. Every night you have the chance to fight back. Real life example, my neighbor Joan, 72, started eating cottage cheese before bed. Within 3 weeks, she told me, "I feel steadier. I can walk longer without feeling tired. I finally feel strong again." All it took was one small habit, one small bowl before bed. Final words. Your body is either building or breaking down muscle every night. One simple food can flip that switch. You don't lose muscle because you're old. You lose muscle because you're not feeding it what it needs. If this video helped you, please share it with your parents, grandparents, or anyone you love who might be struggling with balance or strength. And hit subscribe for more simple, science-backed health tips you can actually use.